Well done.
Now stop this
Okay.
one.
What color is that?
Orange.
Okay, you write A. Very good. Another one. Well done. Right on the line here.
How about people?
Here, right here.
Oh, look, delicious.
You're right, she has. Let's go and say hello.
Well done. Very good.
And Frick.
Okay, another one.
Hello, sweetie. Those look delicious.
Hello, Johnny.
Very good.
Thank you. Date
Do more squiglet.
Mom busted it.
There's more squiglet. Come on, write more squiglet. Letter A.
Oh, yes, please. Thank you, sweetie. Oh, sweetie, I think these
Come on, more squiglet. Come on, more squiglet.
try some too.
More squiglet, please.
I think she likes them as well.
Right in between, in the middle, anak.